Hebei Province Pantao Machinery Co Ltd. Was established in 2011 and is located in Goucheng District, Shijiazhuang City, Hebei Province. Enjoying convenient transportation advantages, our company covers an area of 28,000 square meters and has 155 employees. Our company is a production-oriented manufacturer specializing in paper pulp molding industry. Our company has formed a comprehensive professional team covering technology research and development, mold design, installation and commissioning, production and manufacturing, after-sales service and international sales. Technical personnel in various fields account for half of the company's workforce. This highly qualified team has laid a solid foundation for the company's technological innovation and service support. Our company's fully automatic and semi-automatic paper tray equipment has been successfully exported to Central Asia, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, and other regions, covering more than 160 countries around the world. With reliable equipment performance and perfect after-sales service, it has won the wide trust and long-term cooperation of global customers. For over 10 years, Pantao Machinery has consistently pursued the goal of becoming a high-quality manufacturer in the global pulp molding equipment industry, adhering to the service philosophy of customer-oriented and customer satisfaction Osanibo. All employees are dedicated to the industry with a professional attitude and push boundaries with an innovative spirit. In the future, Pantao Machinery sincerely hopes to work hand-in-hand with domestic and foreign partners to explore new development opportunities and create a new future for the industry and the wave of green and environmentally friendly pulp molding industry.